Welcome to Test Prep Pundits. We have a variety of solutions to suit a variety of needs of any school system. Whether you want a free assessment, a teacher-led class, or a self-paced course, we have just what you need to succeed on that big test. If you're looking for an immersive setting for your student to receive the most out of their education, our teacher-led classes are what you need. They're like mini boot camps that provide your students with all the tools they need to succeed in SAT or ACT prep. We offer customized solutions to help your school student reach their full potential. Whether your student is struggling with math or needs to improve their reading comprehension, our expert instructors will provide the right attention to tackle any issue. We prefer to do this like after-school program. We offer it as on-campus or online mode. We are always available to answer any of your queries. Get in touch with us via email or phone.